Stepn explicitly is a low-ranking cryptocurrency that is currently valued at 38 cents and belongs to the class of minimal coins. It has a market capitalization of $229,138,883 and is usually a long way ahead of everything that really counts. Recent years' digital currencies, including Stepn, laid out an essentially solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and generally are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms in an unpretentious way. Notwithstanding being put resources into GMT are essentially other digital forms of money isn't the stroll in the park. It's as important to follow the cryptographic money showcases carefully and basically respond to all their impulses, which could basically emerge from various central variables like administrative investigation or even a truly irregular auction at Stepn. In every practical sense, extreme undertaking in any event for full-time crypto examiners, and essentially unthinkable for the people who don't see, all things considered, can consider crypto to be their main subject area in an especially significant manner. Fundamentally, consequently, before taking into account the venture, especially as GMT or any very other cryptographic money, besides, you want to in a real sense grasp the real factors of this market as well as the dangers and difficulties that you will unquestionably confront while holding computerized resources, or so they for the most part thought. We in a real sense have illustrated the most urgent of them beneath, or so they by and large thought. One can't ignore the close-to-home strain that digital money holding can fundamentally put even on experienced financial backers, particularly on occasion of essentially profound and quick rectifications that could happen in any event during the most grounded upturns and result in 30%, 40% drawdowns that basically are normally fundamentally followed by even certainly more prominent breakouts. To the potential game, these gigantic cost vacillations happen in light of the fact that the general cryptographic money market capitalization really is still moderately little contrasted with the capitalization of gold or tapas. In a significant manner, companies, so it takes altogether commonly less funding to sort of push the cost in one or the other course, particularly the cost of altcoins, with pretty low market capitalization, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. What is much more nerve-wracking basically is the speed at which sharp inversions especially occur in these business sectors in a by and large huge manner. In some cases, it requires several hours at the cost to experience a plunge and truly upset the current market structure, or so they explicitly thought. Being engaged with crypto requires having nerves of steel and high gamble resilience in an unobtrusive way. In any case, the chance of becoming involved with a frenzy deal or crazy purchasing brought about by the feeling of dread toward passing up a major opportunity generally is extremely high, and it will most certainly truly undermine the respectability of especially your venture portfolio in an unobtrusive manner. At this specific intersection, the efforts of all market members brought the price of Stepn to where it is now, at 38 cents, as is currently mentioned. GMT is a low-ranking digital currency because it has the 100th spot on the global digital currency ranking, which is determined by multiplying the current price by the market capitalization of the digital resource. This is a very important number because it shows that the market capitalization is still at $229,138,883. The real meaning of this boundary will become clear later on. In a significant way, on April 6, GMT, Bitcoin was worth 38 cents at the end of the day's 2 trading sessions. Since cryptocurrency is traded every day, each trading session usually ends at 12 p.m. The price level is 7.06% away from where it is now. To start, we might offer a short-term price forecast for as long as a year. This would be especially helpful for coming up with strategies if you don't use scalping as your main trading style. Scalping is a style of trading in which you stay on the foothold for as long as possible. This chart could help small investors whose trading strategy is based on following patterns, which is really important. However, the chart below is more likely to be helpful for swing and positional traders. Merchants who want to hold coins like GMT for a long time should know that the price of GMT in the readings of 114 is not likely to happen. This is because the only thing we use to predict prices is the market capitalization, which is a very important metric that helps traders decide how popular a coin is. It's also used to figure out how much Stepn is worth in the whole digital currency market. The formula for figuring out market capitalization is pretty simple. The moving stock of the currency in question is added to its current price, which is especially important at the time of writing, when the market capitalization of GMT is usually $229 to 1.